This 2025 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3603 LFP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features a LATTE interior, sleeps 8, microwave, oven, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, slide-out, skylight, refrigerator, LP detector, stovetop burner, TV, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, loft, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3603 LFP is 11,510 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.